Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Grizzly. Hope you like the new apron attire. Just got it. I love it. Hope you do. So today we're doing a classic. For this recipe, you're only going to need two pieces of equipment. One, as you see here, a stand mixer or hand mixer, whatever you have on hand, and two, a cookie sheet. One that's big enough to accommodate how many cookies you want, or just whatever you have on hand. Set oven. $375. Next up on the list, add your butter. Sugar. Brown sugar. And vanilla. You're gonna mix this until creamy. Add one egg at a time. Second egg. Next up, I'm going to hit you with this 5-year-old beat up cooking pan. Always lubricate. Now it says use a rounded tablespoon to portion out these cookies, but don't got one. Next best thing, ice cream scoop. Looking good. Lastly, I'm gonna pop these bad boys in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes until the top starts to be a little golden brown. We'll see how that turns out. I'm actually quite excited to see if I actually did this right. Ooh, would you look at that? Not bad. In the recipe it says use a cooling rack, but who has time for that? Or actually, who has one of those? I know I don't, so we're gonna just leave them in the pan and let these cool for says 2 to 3 minutes. About 2 minutes. I'm gonna leave them about 5 since I'm gonna leave them in the pan. So I'll be back. Okay, I see you. Ooh. Oh, nothing beats freshly baked cookies. Oh. Thanks for watching the video this long. If you want to follow the recipe, please do. If not, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.